Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change the password in Glassdoor app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your password in Glassdoor, all you need to do is simply tap open the Glassdoor app itself. So once you tap open the Glassdoor app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon, and there you need to tap on the update profile on web, and once you do so, you need to now get signed in into your account. So once you're signed in into your account, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon besides the bell icon. So once you tap on it as well, you need to now tap on the settings option. So from the settings option, you will be redirected to this page where under the email and password section, you can find your current password. So once you tap on the pencil-like icon, you need to re-enter your current password and type in the new password you want to set. Then re-enter your new password as well and hit the save button to change your password in Glassdoor. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.